What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Send Frankie's MTB vlog. So today, Monday, we're back in Laguna Beach. Reason I picked Laguna Beach today is because I'm feeling that the beach side has cooler weather than inland or south, 215 area or 15 area. I think it's cooler here, which it is. When the breeze comes, it feels really good. Probably everybody noticed past week has been really hot, and I've been getting lazy, not waking up early to ride. Partly is because, to let you guys know a little bit, because when I wake up at 4, I'm also waking up my wife at 4, and sometimes I feel so guilty doing that because I bring her to work at 4 o'clock in the morning and I go riding. So maybe sometimes in that sense I feel super guilty waking her up. So when I wake up at 4, I look over, and then I usually look over and say, when I wake up at 4, I usually look over and see her condition. And I feel bad waking her up. I feel bad shaking her at 4 in the morning. I'm going out riding and she's going to work, and sometimes I'm like, you know what, I think I should let Ellen sleep. I would have to say, regardless of what's happening, summer riding, you just got to get used to the heat. You got to get used to it. You got to figure a way to cope with the heat. So we're out here, we're riding, we're stoked, we're happy. We're about to drop in Lizard. See you guys in a little bit. Oh, before I forget, if you are a first time viewer here on our channel, so basically this channel is about primarily 4 people. Just me, my wife, my 2 good friends that ride, and we are progressing along, and this channel is about us 4 progressing, and it's also about me challenging myself to 365 days of trail riding, whether it's rain or just extreme heat. I'm gonna try and do my best to go out and trail ride 365 days. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. We're about to drop in to Lizard. See you in a little bit. Lizard. All right. First warm-up trail. It's always a fun trail. So many features that I haven't done yet. Ooh. Super sandy. Okay, I need to hit that drop, that jump with a little bit more precision. Woo. Why does that feel a little bit more? A little bit more chunky. I feel a little bit tired today. Oh, I'm sorry.
No worries.
Sorry. Oh, when they say, oh God, whew, I feel terrible. Oh. Whew. This is always the worst part, coming to lizards. And hey, you know, it's one of the drawbacks of e-bikes. When you get to certain places like this, it's hard. But so many benefits with e-bikes. Whew. It's always a little reluctant to go super fast on that section, you know, so this coming up section, because so many hikers, and a lot of times these hikers are on speaking on the phone, listening to music real loud, so they can't hear you coming. Oh, dude. Man, water in the wrong pipe. Oh, geez. Let's ride in. I don't know what I'm gonna do today still yet. I'm gonna decide if I should do the Enduro loop. It's always fun doing the Enduro loop, but it's short. But maybe after the Enduro loop, I can come back up and loop around and do like a BVD or something, and then head back out. Rider! Just keep screaming rider the whole way. Rider! 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 That just becomes annoying for the video. Whew, feeling exhausted quick today. A lot of riding this weekend. Whew. All right, so decided to do the Enduro loop, and just wanted to give you guys a little update on my 365-day challenge. I think we're on 75, Yeah, this should be day 75. If you guys want to know, I try to post everything on Strava, all my rides every day, so you can head to my Strava and I'll post my Strava link in the video's description, and you just follow me and then see how many miles I do every day. Sometimes I do a lot, sometimes I just, you know, when I'm practicing with my wife, it's very minimal, but it's mountain bike riding skills, you know. I need to get her skills up so she can join me in the future on bigger rides. What else? Updates. So subscriber count is not as high, but for all the people who've been subscribed, I just want to let you guys know that I am committed to finishing my 365 days, and regardless of subscriber count, because hey, it's a challenge, and I'm still day 75. Yeah, I'm still committed. I'm still going, not burnt out yet. I'm happy that I'm doing this, and it's kind of like I feel like I'm cheating life a little bit, because all of you got to work, and I do mountain bike for a living right now in a sense, but I'm not making any money. 265 subscribers means you get paid $0 from YouTube. So YouTube's policy is you need 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch hours. I'm at 260 and 1,600 something watch hours. So I'm about halfway, almost halfway with the watch hours, and just a quarter in subscriber count. So I need a lot of work, and if you guys can, head on over to my Patreon page and support me. You know, even my lowest limit is like $1 a month. That's just, you know, showing some support to chip in a little gas money for me to make these trips out to Orange County, Temecula, you know, Idlewild, all these places, beautiful places. But other than that, I'm not asking for much right now. But most importantly, view hours and the support in the comments have been helpful. They have been encouraging my wife to get better, and you can tell she wants to get better, and also at the same time encouraging me to get better, to learn more about riding. A lot of people have been asking, when can we ride together? When can we ride together? You know, the answer with you guys is this: none of my rides are really planned other than the day before or the morning. Like this morning I woke up 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and my wife is like, Ellen's like, where are you riding today? I'm like, I have no idea. Let me bring her to work, and then I'll figure something out when I'm making coffee. So I really do want to ride with you guys, but right now the full schedule is I'm riding. After I ride, I make my YouTube videos, and it takes me about 4 hours to make a video, 4 or 5 hours to make a video, and then I have to go back to work, pick up my wife, or deliver some goods. Sometimes get in contact with US Postal Service, and do a whole bunch of that stuff. So I don't finish. It's like I want to get efficient in terms of making editing videos, so I can do it within 2 hours. That's the primary goal, but it seems like it's hard because music choosing is tough. What else is on my mind these days? Comments that I've been getting with Ellen, it has been helping her trying to push through her mental blocks. It's been really helpful because I'm explaining to her how a lot of beginner riders are in the same situation, and it's been helping her. It's been helping her great, and she appreciates everybody. She loves everybody as well as much as I love you guys, and it's been helping me and helping her. That's an update for both of us. The other crazy thing is the crazy tickets given out to Class 1 in Orange County. It's been a little bit, I have been reluctant to come here because a lot of people are getting tickets, but at the same time, if I get a ticket, it's good content for the channel. I don't know if I'm willing to sacrifice. I don't know how much a ticket is. If you guys know how much a Class 1 ticket is, comment below how much you got a ticket for. Maybe if the ticket's like within $50, $30, $50, something like that, I'll take the risk. But if it's like upwards of $300 or something like that, or past $100, maybe then, you know, not worth it. We're gonna continue doing this. We're gonna continue finding shows we enjoy, share with you guys, share with the progress, share the stoke, share the riding every day, and loving it. So we're gonna continue, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Ride it. Seems like that was harder. Give me a little bit of trial. Whew. Oh, love that little rock section. So much fun. Whew. Oh shit. Whew. I got this little guy in the middle. Come on, get out of the way. It's a rattler too. Holy shit. It's a baby one, but fuck. Okay, that's scary. I'm so close too. I can feel the ocean breeze. Woo! I don't know what to do, guys. If I go over, he's just gonna run him over, kill him. I don't want to do that. Crap. All right, guys. I think this rattlesnake is winning the war on this path. Oh, I'm so afraid to go around him. At the same time, I am so close to my today's goal. God, jeez, darn it, it's a rattlesnake. I see his freaking rattle tail, even though it's a baby one, small one, but fuck, dude. I tried spraying water on it. I tried tapping it with a branch. I really don't want to wake him up and piss him off, but he knows I'm here. He knows I'm looking at him. He's just not budging. And I need to go through, complete today's goal. Move! Woo! We finally made it around the guy. Oh, don't want to run him over. Same time, don't want to piss him off. I think we're getting closer to our goal. See you guys. All right, guys. We are at the end. I thought it was gonna hit the beach, but I guess there's a country club right here or something like that, and you can't pass through this area. It's sealed off. So this is our end of the path. I thought it would have hit the ocean or something, but it doesn't. Maybe another path does. Who knows? But we struggled with that little guy for a while, and I guess it's time to head back. We're gonna ride all the way up, then call it a day. It's been good in this Laguna Beach today. The ocean breeze is nice. Finally able to get some breeze riding. Finally able to get some riding in this heat. I don't feel so bad in the heat, but we're gonna struggle back this way. I think that little fella is still on the path, so we're gonna route around him. Hopefully I don't wake up and start piss him off. The road belongs to him more than us. So, that, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Subscribe, share, like, tell your friends about this channel, and just let them subscribe. Let them know about us, know about this channel, and we will see you guys tomorrow.